Ayan, punta na kami sa Halong Bay Cruise. Sasakay kami sa boat na to. At siya ang magdadala sa amin sa Halong Bay. Naghihintay yung malaking boat doon na cruise. Parang ganyan. Ito yung mga kasama naming mag-cruise. Han, boarding na tayo sa Doria. Oh, malaglag ka. Yan. We will stay here for 2 days and 1 night. A lot of activities to be done here. Wow. Anong masasabi mo, ha? Beautiful. Going up. Yan, mga boat. Yan, mga pagkain. No, gutom ka na?
Yes.
Ito, gutom na? Yan, Halong Bay. Shrimp, oyster, fish, squid. How do you like it, Han?
I like it.
It's good?
Delicious.
5-star hotel? Cruise?
Yummy.
Yes, nice. You know. Look at that. The view. Awesome. Okay, ito na yung kwarto namin sa cruise. How are you, Honey Bunch?
Hi, enjoying the view.
Yan, 1 queen size bed and 1 single bed.
I'm Rick.
Oh, yan, kompleto na rin siya. Yan, may fruits, water, coffee, and everything. Yan ang bathtub. Oh my gosh, sino yan? Tumatay na. Oh my goodness.
Stop! Dada!
Yan ang washroom. It's nice, eh? Ah, look at this.
Nay, delete that! Go!
Wow. Wow, my goodness. Oh, look at that. Ayan ang Halong Bay. Oh, yan yung sinasabi nilang store. Boat store. Titinda sila. Kaya lang sabi nila kung daw to. Masyadong mahal. It's not worth it. Enjoy life. Wow, nice view. Oh, yan yung store, boat store. How do you like it, Han? You like it?
Beautiful.
You like the view?
Here, yeah. Beautiful.
Yayamanin, Halong Bay, Vietnam.
The famous Halong Bay in Vietnam.
Hanoi.
Hanoi.
Yan na siya. Punta ako doon sa may bato na yun. Yan, malapit na ako dito. Mahawakan ko na rin si Halong Bay. Mga bato-bato. Yan. Yan siya. Look at that. Ganito pala. This is how it looks like. You know. Sad-sad na ako. You know. Mga talaba. Oyster. Si Heinz, pahiga-higa na lang. Yung nainay niya ang pinapahirapan. Yan yung boat namin. Doria Cruise, formerly M. Gloria. Yan. Yan yung Doria Cruise namin. Yung dalawa binabalik na yung kayak nila. Yun sila. Halong Bay, baby.
Saan ka pupunta? Beautiful here. Halong Bay. Halong Bay, Vietnam. Wow, mga maliliit na oyster pala ito. Ang dami nila. Look at that. Andito kami sa Halong Bay. Hi, honey. Hi. Daming lamok. Kayaking.
Living the life.
Ayan.
Yung boat namin.
Doon. Layo nila. Ayan, babalik na kami.
Doria Cruise.
Yeah, let's go.
Kasama mo yung
Hendrik, let's go.
Good morning, Halong Bay, Vietnam. It's 6 a.m. Dito ako ngayon sa balcony ng aming room dito sa Doria Cruise. Yan ang makikitang view. Ayan, punta kami sa cave daw for sightseeing. Han. Ayan.
Ani? Ani? Ah, saan tayo pupunta?
Okay, we're now at Halong Bay and we're going to the cave.
She's English and she teaches at the international schools. So now we're going to go and down to Philippines for 2 weeks. Yeah, so I will be traveling to the Philippines. Yeah. That'll be fun. Industry. Oh, it's so valuable. Oh, thank you. Yeah, you are amazing. And you know, you give so much peace of mind to so many people.
We're almost there. We're entering the cave now. Look at that. We have similar like this in Philippines, in Palawan, El Nido.
Henry. Henry was right.
It's so clear. You can see the reflection.
Yeah.
It's perfect weather today. Yan na yung cave.
What the bonus being the first view and being first in here.
Yes,
And
it's
first view for one of the guys on our cruise, as we were waiting to get to here, he was standing behind us and he said, I'm not going on that one with the old lady.
Yan, mga kasama namin.
And then he sort of, he just like this over here and he said, I should be really slow. And
That's very cool.
Yan, pabalik na kami sa boat. Palabas na kami, ito mga papasok naman sila. Yan, we're out. Yan na, tapos na yung cave tour.